Consuming alcohol is injurious to health. I do not recommend consumption of alcohol to men, women, and also to the breastfeeding women. But a lot of my patients who are young mothers, who are nursing mothers, who are breastfeeding mothers, they ask me this question, that is it okay to occasionally consume small quantity of alcohol when they are nursing their babies or where they are breastfeeding the babies, and would that cause any kind of an impact on their babies? So this video is made on this particular topic, as is whether it is safe to consume alcohol during breastfeeding times. I am Dr. Nikhil Datar, a senior gynecologist from Mumbai. Thank you very much for watching this video on my YouTube channel. An occasional consumption of small quantity of drink is unlikely to harm your baby. This is what is said by the National Health Services of United Kingdom. In all, it is considered that not more than 14 units of alcohol is a permissible limit, or should not consume more than 14 units of alcohol in a week's time, and this is the criteria which is for men as well as women. It is important to understand what do you really mean by the unit of alcohol. Now, unit of alcohol is approximately 10 ml of pure alcohol. Now, how do you find out how much is the alcohol content of your drink? So you can check the label of that particular drink. Usually it will be written as weight by volume kind of a thing. So let us imagine that if it is written as 5% as weight by volume, and let us imagine that that particular drink is of say 500 cc's, or let's say you are having a can of beer which is say 500 cc's, then it means 5% of 500, so 2.5 units is the amount of alcohol that is there in that particular drink. By far and large, if you are consuming one drink, then it is expected that in about 30 to 60 minutes the alcohol concentration will be highest in the breast milk, and one drink will get excreted. Generally a drink, if you are looking at say a wine glass, it would be around 1.5 units roughly of alcohol, and if at all you are looking at a beer which is a very light beer, then somewhere around 2.5 units of alcohol will be there in this particular can or this drink. So generally, as a ballpoint figure, one can consider that if you have taken one drink, then in about 2 hours time the alcohol will be totally washed out from the breast milk. So it means that if you have consumed alcohol and say one drink you have consumed, then for next 2 hours, if you have not breastfed the baby, then the chance that the alcohol will go to the baby is going to be less likely. If the number of drinks are more, then probably you will have to give more amount of hours. Now you need to understand that the kind of drink that you are talking about, your own body weight, what are you eating along with that, what is the quantity of drink that you are talking, all these are the factors which will ultimately decide the actual content of the drink or the units of the alcohol. But I am giving you a general ballpoint figure that one drink if you have consumed, then next 2 hours will be the time within which the drink or the alcohol will get washed out from the body. Now, here are some practical tips that I want to give you in case if you want to decide and have some alcohol while you are breastfeeding. Once again, I am not recommending that particular thing, but if at all you want to indulge into it, then these are a few things which can increase the safety margin of drinking and having its effect on the baby, because you don't want the alcohol to go to your baby. First and foremost, if you time your drink in such a manner that you know when you are going to have your drink, you might want to consider breastfeeding the baby just before you start consuming alcohol. You might want to keep expressed breast milk so that that milk can be utilized in those say 2 hours or something of that sort in case the baby requires it. Third important thing, a lot of people think that if they pump the milk out, the alcohol will get out of their body or their breast milk, but that is not true, because as I told you, if your body, if your blood contains certain amount of alcohol, the same amount of alcohol will be in the breast milk also, and it will get back to the blood, and through the blood it will get excreted. So just by pumping, you are not going to reduce the alcohol concentration in the breast milk. So it doesn't make any great sense in doing that. Binge drinking is definitely not a good idea at all, but that's usually not the problem. Most of the girls probably are looking at a very occasional or small drink, so probably that's not really something which we are worried about. And the last and the most important thing that I want to tell you is that the incidence of sudden infant death syndrome is found to be very high, especially if the mother has had alcohol and after that the mother and the baby are sleeping together. So please see to it that if you have had heavy drinks, then do not sleep with the baby for at least for first few hours, till such time the alcohol is totally washed out from your body system. So I suppose these few tips can make it more safe for you if at all you want to have a small drink while you are breastfeeding mother. Thank you very much.